Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to use the quick settings menu on the Sharp 50 TV. So let's start off by going in here. Make sure to not click the settings icon right here, as here we will have the main settings. Here we have the quick settings. Now here we have the screensaver, so we can enable it and it will just throw us here. It's like the main screen before turning on the TV. So the next one is here we can check the inputs. We can change the inputs right here from home to antenna, cable, satellite, ATV, and much more if we have some connected. So now moving on, we have the picture. So in picture we have the picture settings like backlight, brightness, contrast, saturation, HUE, sharpness, and more advanced settings right here like the color, temperature, and much more here. So now the next one is the sound settings. Here we can easily change the speakers, speaker delay, EARC, Dolby audio processing, dialogue enhancer, or we can reset them to default. So now the next one is the Wi-Fi. Here we can add a new network or we can forget networks right here. Now the last one right here is the accessibility. Here we have captions, high contrast text. I won't recommend using that because it's experimental. So the next one is the text-to-speech. Here we can configure our engine, like the language and the voice data. Here we have the speech rate. Here we can listen to an example. And here we have the default language status. So this is it. This is how you guys can use those quick settings on the TV. So thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and a comment. Bye.